Hi, my name is Mats Christensen, and I work on the ASP.NET and Web Tools team. And I'm here to show you a fantastic new technology in Visual Studio 2013 called BrowserLink. That's a direct communication between any browser and Visual Studio. So here I have Visual Studio 2013 with a web project loaded, and I have two browsers displaying the website that I'm currently working on. I have Internet Explorer and an iPhone emulator. As a new thing in Visual Studio 2013, we have an icon that lets us see all the browsers that are currently connected to our website. And in this case, it's Safari and Internet Explorer. Now this connection is a bidirectional channel that's based solely on JavaScript and WebSockets and Open Web standards. And it allows for bidirectional communication. And one of the things we can do with this technology is that when we make a change in Visual Studio, we can just click the button to have all the connected browsers automatically refresh. Now this works in HTML files, but it actually works in all the files in your project, including code behinds, C#, Visual Basic files, and so on. It also works in CSS. And here I made the background red instead of white. And instead of hitting the icon or the button, I can use a keyboard shortcut, Control-Alt-Enter. And that immediately reloads the browsers. So this makes it really easy to see the effects of my changes. Now, this technology called BrowserLink is really smart. It knows that whenever you click the button or use the keyboard shortcuts, it knows whether or not to just save the file and update the browsers, or if a build is required for any changes to take effect. And we'll do that appropriately for you. You also have the BrowserLink dashboard. The BrowserLink dashboard can be accessed through the drop-down in the toolbar, and it shows you the current state of your connectivity with the browsers. And so in this case, we can see that we have Internet Explorer and Safari connected. And they're both visiting the URL called /, which is the root of my website. I can also invoke commands specifically on each individual browser simply by hitting the arrow. And we can see here how everything is working and is refreshing. The Prerequisites tab helps you diagnose any issues you have with the connectivity between Visual Studio and any browser you might have connected. In this case, I have no issues. Everything is working fine. But if I had any issues, the BrowserLink dashboard would offer me solutions, and in most cases would be able to fix issues automatically for me. And that could be related to your configuration and so on. So this is a really interesting technology, and the most interesting thing is that it's completely extendable. So we're looking forward to see what you're going to do with this new bidirectional communication between Visual Studio and the browsers, and how it's going to be integrated into Visual Studio in the future. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that you're as excited about BrowserLink as we are. And if you want any more information, please visit the ASP.NET website. Thanks.